Installation of flow meters, Part 1. This discussion considers primarily the installation of modern differential pressure transmitter, that is DP cell. Lecture series on installation of flow meters. This lecture series consists of following lectures: Installation of flow meters, Part 1. This discussion considers primarily the installation of modern differential pressure transmitter, that is DP cell. Second lecture is Installation of flow meters, Part 2. In this lecture, we talk about the components for installation of flow meters. Third lecture is Installation of flow meters, Part 3. In this lecture, we talk about the flow element or the primary instrument installation. Introduction. Differential pressure instruments are used in flow measurements for mass, that is level, in tanks or in wells, for interlocks in safety systems, for dynamic pressure from a pitot tube on aircraft, and for many other purposes. The following discussion considers primarily the modern differential pressure transmitter, that is DP cell. Installation. Preferred installation. The figure in next slide shows the preferred DP flow meter installation used. This avoids the errors that may occur with impulse lines by reducing the length of the connections to the minimum. This has become the standard for many users where it is possible. This diagram shows the direct connected DP cell. The DP cell is directly connected to the primary element or the flow element. It can be used for all horizontal and vertical lines for liquids or gases, with the exception of condensing vapors such as steam. A variation of this replaces the manifold with a one-valve bypass manifold at the back transmitter connections. Isolation valves are still required. Request. It is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe. Liquid flow. Liquid flow. To prevent the collection of gas or air in a liquid impulse line and to allow stray gases or vapors to flow out of the impulse lines and back into pipe, the secondary, that is transmitter or DP gauge, is mounted below the primary, that is head producing device with a free path and no high points between the flow element and the DP device. This diagram shows the DP device mounted below the flow element. In this case, the flow element is a venturi. Liquid flow venturi. Figure in the previous slide shows liquid flow measurement installation with the transmitter separated from the flow element in a remote installation with an assembled manifold. The manifold is the set of valves installed to make replacement or calibration of the DP device convenient. In liquid service, the pressure taps are located between the horizontal and 45-degree below horizontal. Taps at the bottom of the pipe are discouraged to avoid plugging by undesired solids flowing with the liquid. Taps above horizontal can trap gases or air. The relatively small pressure difference created by the flow through the primary element must be maintained and conveyed to the secondary without change and regardless of the system conditions. It is important to remember, even in streams declared clean, that bubbles of gas or air may show up in liquids as well as liquid droplets, or condensable fluids will show up in gases. Liquid secondary above primary. Figure in next slide shows one design approach used for special cases where it is not possible to install the transmitter below the flow element. Liquid secondary element above the primary element, that is, DP cell is mounted above the primary element or the flow sensing device. This sort of installation is used with buried pipe lines and usually involves a meter pit and meter house. Use is discouraged unless it is required due to the added uncertainty and the required maintenance. Gases are captured in the accumulators and vented before they accumulate enough to break the continuous liquid path. It is important to remember, even in streams declared clean, that bubbles of gas or air may show up in liquids as well as liquid droplets, or condensable fluids will show up in gases. Gas flow. Gas flow. For gases, The taps are located between the horizontal and about 45 degrees above horizontal. Tapping at the top is avoided to reduce the chance of collecting undesirable gases and vapors in the impulse lines. For steam and other condensing vapors, horizontal meters run are preferred. To prevent errors caused by liquids in the impulse lines, the secondary is installed above the primary to encourage any stray liquids or condensate to flow out of the impulse lines and back into the flowing stream. There must be a free path with no dips or pockets between the primary and the secondary. A minimum slope of 1 unit of elevation to 12 units of horizontal distance is generally accepted. Figure in next slide illustrates this. Gas flow. Pitot tube shown. Horizontal gas flow, secondary below primary. If the secondary must be below the primary, see figure in next slide. Horizontal gas flow, secondary below primary. Horizontal gas flow, secondary below primary. Use is discouraged due to the possibility of failure and the high maintenance required. The installation design is intended to keep collected liquids below the point where they can interfere with the transmission of the signal pressures. The user has to consider how to manage this. Steam flow. Steam flow. In the preferred horizontal pipes, the transmitter is installed below the flow element as in liquid flow. The condensate in the lines provides a heat barrier to protect the transmitter. A distance of about 150 millimeter, that is 6 inches, normally provides enough thermal isolation to protect the transmitter in open air. Note that stainless steel has a relatively low thermal conductivity. Greater distances or heat shields are suggested for installation in hot locations such as near a boiler. Vertical steam flow installation. Vertical steam flow installation. In vertical flow installation, the lower impulse line is formed up to the same height as the upper impulse line so that the condensate level in both impulse lines is the same as shown in attached figure. Alternatively, it is possible to offset the transmitter zero setting to account for the difference in liquid level. This requires that the added head for the level such as for the standard distance for orifice flange taps of 54 mm, that is 2.125 inch, multiplied by the density of the condensate at the presumed temperature be accounted for by setting the transmitter 0. Use the actual tapping distance. Direct connected steam meter. Rosemount suggests that their 3051 CFA may be used for steam flow if the temperature is within the allowed range. Figure in next slide is a sketch showing their direct connected NU bar and averaging pitot tube as the flow sensor. See their compact flow meter literature for the application details and limitations. Other manufacturers offer similar products. Direct mounted or connected steam meter. Condensate chamber. Differential pressure recorders and transmitters in the past required a small flow into and out of the instrument when there was a change in the differential pressure. In steam service, this condensate was provided by condensate chambers replacing the pipe tees, which are shown in attached figure. Modern instruments have a very small displacement and the condensate in the T is sufficient to supply this. Figure is attached. Figure in next slide is that of a condensate chamber. Condensate chamber. It is possible that some old standards or records still show the condensate pots. Use is strongly discouraged because of the costs, problems with the extra points of possible leakage, and serious corrosion in the top portion of the chamber. See the following components section. Steam flow. Some users fill the transmitter lines with water before startup to protect the transmitter from steam temperature. Steam headers must always be started up very slowly, introducing steam into the header to warm it up, and condensate is allowed to drain. This will avoid destructive surges of condensate in the line and fill the impulse lines with the warm condensate. Request. It is hoped that this session was useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe.